In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends inside the Splitwise application on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up Splitwise. Make sure to log in. Once you've logged in, you're going to be greeted to a page that looks like this. So as it says, as you use Splitwise, friends and group mates will show you here. So I've currently got no friends, I've just installed it. So I'm going to click on add more friends. And then at the top of the page here, it will say enter name, email or phone number. So depending how you want to add your friend, you can put your phone number, email or their name. For this, I'm going to add in an email address. Once I've done that, it will say add Black White till 2004, and now we can change this name if we like. So I'm going to change this like that, and then I'm going to click on the tick button, and there you go. I've got a new friend in my list. If I go back now, sorry, not go back, down the bottom of the page, you've got this orange arrow. So click on that and it'll say verify contact info. So we've got the name, email address. These people will be notified you've added them as a friend. You can start adding expenses right away. So from here, go ahead and click on finish. And now once you've added your friend, it's going to appear here.